Have you ever thought about the relationship between water and rocks? Hidden amidst the beautiful mountains and vegetation nest at New Karu, Abuja, is the Karu Waterfalls, located along the Abuja Kefi Road, just behind Bristol Academy. The fall is formed out of a massive outcrop of granite rock with water flowing at the top, forming a stream-like body of water, with some part of it being cold and some parts being warm. Over time, this fall has continued to serve as an awesome outdoor spot for nature lovers and a perfect location for hiking. Fun seekers also go there to hang out and enjoy the serenity and tranquility of the environment. Flowing from a mountain top, the Karu Waterfall is in 3 layers, having the top, the middle, and the bottom layer, each with views that are scenic and breathtaking. It is one of the most visited tourist sites in the Federal Capital Territory. You will always see fun seekers who go there on a daily basis to enjoy the serene atmosphere, and some having cool showers from the waters. The Karu Waterfall is a thrilling place to be. So, if you are yet to explore this waterfall, you should, because I bet you won't be disappointed. Welcome to the most beautiful waterfalls in Abuja. For more of Nigeria's finest tourist attraction, kindly click the subscribe button. Also, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Experiencing Naija.